morning, ladies and gentlemen. Anthony here from the Wall Street Bull. Got my morning coffee. Going to go through the purchases that I made last night on Wall Street. Check it out. Good morning, guys. Anthony from the Wall Street Bull. Hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there, and most importantly, investing safe. So hope you guys are doing well, and just a huge shout out to those of you who have used the referral code below in the description for signing up to stake. That really means a lot to me. So if you're new to the channel also, guys, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, because that really helps me out and I really appreciate it. And I love building dividend wealth with you guys, because that is the most important thing in life. Anyway, straight into it today, guys. Sitting at $20,135.50 USD. That is incredible. I'm down on the day 1.97%, $404 USD, and in total I'm up positive 33%, which I can't complain about that. $5,032 USD. That is awesome. I'm mainly a mixed bag today with my portfolio, guys. You can see here most of them are in the red. It's been a pretty shocking day on Wall Street, but it happens every single week. It's going like this pretty much every single week, guys. In terms of dividends, I did receive a dividend of like $46 from ExxonMobil, so I reinvested that back into ExxonMobil, which increased my dividends. So what I'm wanting to go through today, guys, is a few purchases that I made last night. I did deposit 500 Australian dollars into my stake account, and that is a lot of money. Excuse me. So which was ended up being $381 USD transferred over to stake. So with that $381, you can see here that I've got EPD, SPHD, and VYM. With regards to like larger investments, guys, I tend to, how can I say, like for $1,000 or $500 to $1,000, I like to diversify my money with those deposits, and I like to put them into like index funds. So obviously with EPD, I like this company a lot. I've said in my previous video, guys, obviously they are investing in renewables as well, and they're mainly gas. They're not so much oil, which is, you know, like ExxonMobil. So they're mainly gas and renewables at the moment. So that's positive, guys, and they have increased their dividends over the last few years, which is really good. So I did purchase last night some more shares of EPD, guys. So I purchased 5.5 shares of EPD at $23 a share, $129.44. Now I'm currently sitting at, and we'll go to EPD, guys, at 19.68 shares of EPD, which is great. I'm gonna have a sip of my coffee because it is early morning here, guys, and I've got meetings all day. Alright, so obviously with EPD, guys, they have a dividend yield of 7.59%, which is it's getting up on the higher scale there, but they have remained positive with their dividends, and they're not planning on cutting them, which is good. So the next one, guys, that I made last night is SPHD, and everyone knows Invesco's S&P 500 index fund, guys. This is a monthly dividend payer. My reason for obviously investing with SPHD, guys, is those monthly dividends, and I love those because it really helps build this portfolio a lot quicker. So I purchased another 3 shares, just over 3 shares of SVHD at $42 a share, $129.44. That brought my position now up to in SPHD, guys, and we'll scroll up here so you can see here on the screen, which is, I love this feature, guys. 53 shares of SPHD now, so that's really good, guys, and that's bringing in around about $8 to $9 every single month, so that's really cool, guys. There you go, you can see that 53 shares, and sitting at 4.62% dividend yield, which is in a great range between the 3 to 5 mark. That's ideal, that I like anyway. So let's scroll down. And the other one, guys, that I made there is VYM. I love Vanguard products in general because, you know, they're very reliable and they're a huge fund. So they've got many different products like VOO, which is the S&P 500, VYM, which is the high dividend yield fund as well, VTI, which is the total stock market. So when you're buying in VTI, you're going to buy the whole stock market, every single company. What else is there, guys? There's oh, I've got it here. I'll go through them. So let me scroll back. So I purchased 1.28 shares of VYM, guys, at $101 a share. So it has gone up since last 2020. So we'll scroll back here, guys. Let's go to VYM quickly. So I'm sitting at now 14.46 shares of VYM, guys, and I have made a return of 10%, which is really good. 2.87% dividend yield, guys, and this is the S&P 500 dividend ETF. So this is virtually all S&P 500 companies that pay dividends. VYM invests in, whereas SPHD only invests in the top 50 dividend-paying companies in the S&P 500. So this is more broader, more diversification in my portfolio. But like I said, VYM is the highest dividend yield that ETF that Vanguard offers. VOO, VTI, VTR, and VYM. So I've got a few Vanguard products in my portfolio, guys, but VYM is one that I love because it's a high dividend yield one. And obviously, being at my age, I'm looking for those dividends every single quarter or month whenever they come in. So guys, they're my 3 purchases that I did make last night with that $500 Australian investment, $381 USD. So I did have some dividends. I'll quickly go through those. We'll start off the 16th of March. We'll start 15th. So 3M paid me 49 cents. Realty $4.17. PBA, Pembina Pipeline, that's 87 cents. ERF 5 cents. MCD, which is McDonald's, this is a great dividend actually, 6 cents, but it's very expensive to buy this. K 16 cents. Stag, which is the industrial REIT, real estate investment trust, guys, this is good, this is a monthly payer, $1.22. Key 11 cents. Main Street Capital at $1.22, and you can see my journal entry there of $381. So with regards to these 3 purchases, guys, then we'll move to my Dividend Tracker, which I love this app. Check it out, guys. I'm not affiliated whatsoever with these people. I wish I was, because I'm promoting the shit out of them. Anyway, so I did increase my dividends by purchasing these EPD, VYM, and SVHD by $25 a year, which is really good, guys. So I'm sitting at now $886.46 per year. An average on month is $73.87. That's really good. Daily $2.43. I can almost afford a coffee every day with these dividends, and the yield is on average 4.53%, which is really good as well. It's not too high and it's not too low, which is good. My next dividend is due from Prospect Capital of $8.09. Obviously that'll get reinvested with the next time, because for some reason, I don't know why, but they have a minimum of $10 with transactions with stake. It's really annoying because you just got to wait till you hit that $10 threshold to make those investments. But anyway, so my top 3 dividend payers, again, ExxonMobil at $270, SPHD at $120 now, which is good. Prospect Capital at $97, and I just want to check where so Realty $64, guys. VYM now is $60 a year, which is awesome. EPD is in my top 10 here at $45. AT&T $37, and AGNC at $23, which is really good. Now I have reached 30% of my goal. That is creeping up slowly. It's taking a long time, but I will hit that $3,000 by the end of this year, I promise you guys. And 31% of my dividends are from minerals and energy companies there, and dividends receivable this month is $13. So that's pretty cool. Let's go to my portfolio, guys. $25,962 in Australian currency, which is really good, and $6,434 in total returns, 32%. That is insane, guys. This is because I invested throughout the downturn of 2020. I benefited from that now, which is really lucky. So I'm glad I did that and just kept putting money into 2020. And let's have a look at my favorite chart, guys, down the bottom while we're here quickly. 10 years, the portfolio is going to be worth $42,248, and my annual dividend is going to be $3,000 a year. That is unreal. And the last one on the chart here, $143,040 in 20 years, with an annual dividend of $18,260 per year, which is insane. That works out to be roughly, I think, $300 something a week. So that is really going to assist in the daily life, guys. So there you go. That's my portfolio as of today, the 17th of March 2020, guys. They're my purchases that I made. And leave me in the comments below what you've made purchases so far in March. It'd be really good to see what you guys are into. Make sure you stay safe, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you like the video and subscribe, so it really helps me. And if you're new to stake, use the referral code below, because that's you can get a stock in GoPro, Dropbox, or Nike. Yet to get one in Nike, but anyway, we'll stay positive. Alright guys, so thanks very much for sticking around. Hope you're well. Stay safe. Thanks very much. Peace. Bye.